We're just going to have a lightning tour of my drag and drop system for Unity here. I'll just show you the sort of things we're offering. So here I've set up, using my core library, a Diablo Torchlight type of system where we've got a backpack full of gear, full of little items called charms. We've got a belt here which we can drag potions into. They make a lovely noise. Notice how that slot lights up gold to say we can drop that there. If we try to put a hat in there, it shrinks and turns grey and makes a whoops noise and goes back to where it was. We have an equip screen here where we can drag amulets into the amulet slot, armour into the armour slot, and so on. And in the inspector over here, you'll see we've got a player object. They've got an array of 4 charms for their belt, an array of 20 charms for their backpack. And if you have a look at the belt here, we'll drag a mana potion into that last slot. It updates automatically. Swap those last 2 round, they update in the back end, no worries. So the idea here is to have a drag and drop user interface library that allows you to write your own components based on it, which can update back-end data effortlessly, really. Over here we've got a read-only one with a power set, and you can drag things into the power bar down here, fireball and force field. And you can see them in the player's powers. You can see the player has a list of equipped items, just some single variables there of charm type. Like we currently have no helmet on. If we grab this tin hat, put it in the slot that lights up, saying it can take the helmet. There it goes. And you'll have noticed we also have a tooltip system. Gloves requiring level 5, don't go anywhere. Gloves that don't have a level requirement do. Yeah, I'll have a quick look at one script for the power set UI. So we have the power set here. It's got a power set UI script on it, and it is, that's the powers UI I wanted to have a look at, is this big. You've got a player. The player's got a list of powers, and you just call create slots and pass a list of type power into this object contain a list of type power derived class. That's all the code you'd have to write to get something like this working, where you just say, right, this is the player, find their array of power, their list of powers here, and whenever we drag something in, update that automatically. Yep, so that's a really quick tour of this, just to give you an idea of what's on offer. It's a set of base scripts here: draggable object containers array and list, and slots, which you can derive your own classes from to make developing this sort of UI really quick and really easy. And we have a couple of examples. We've got these ones here and then a shop example which will take you through in a future video. So video 2 will have a more in-depth look at this. Video 3 will do some programming together and put together a shop user interface. And that's it.